How to change your Google Chrome homepage. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to provide you with a full guide on how to change your Google Chrome homepage. So without further ado, let's go to our Google Chrome. By the way guys, this is the homepage of our Google Chrome. So in order for us to change this, let's go to account settings right here. Manage your Google account. So right here, and by the way guys, your homepage is the first page that loads when you open up your Google Chrome browser, just like this one. And customizing it enhance your browsing experience, whether you want to set a specific website, a custom URL, or a blank page as your homepage, we've got you covered. So here, as you can see, this is the URLs or the pages or websites that I have added so that I can easily access them when I open my Google Chrome. So let's go to our settings. Let's go to personal info, home, your account, privacy and personalization. So right here, personal ads, product search, or options. So here, let's type in homepage. Right here, you can add your address right here. But for me, in order for us to access this, change Google Chrome homepage, click on that one. And then here, set your homepage and startup page. So as you can see, set your startup page right here. Have a new tab, continue where you left off. Open a specific set of pages. Right here, as you can see, go to settings. On the left, click on startup and click on open new tab page right there. How to personalize your new tab page. As you can see, these are the settings. You can also change the browser theme. Use Chrome cards on your tab. Use recipe cards on Chrome. Get started with your cards on Chrome, or use the Drive priority card on your Chrome. So if you want to try that, let's try to change our browser theme. As you can see right there, side panel, customize Chrome. All of the settings that you might want or need are all in here. Just read these specifications, go to settings right here, and then go to appearance. So you can see, you can change the theme. You can change your theme right here, or you can add extensions. As you can see there, you can customize your homepage, change your theme. Also show home button here, show on right or left for the side panel. And that's it guys. You can now change your Google homepage in that easy steps. And that's it for our video on how to change your Google Chrome homepage. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to customize your homepage to your references, whether it's for setting a specific website or a custom URL or a blank page. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comment down below. Thanks for watching guys, and we will see you on the next video.